Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to AutoNL. Today we meet one of the most brutal hybrid machines AMG has ever created, the AMG GT63 SE-Execution. Finished in its beautiful original Alpine Grey Metallic, standing here on a massive open road. This car is engineered to dominate every kilometer ahead of it. Just look at this stance, wide, low, unapologetically aggressive. In Alpine Grey, the character of the car becomes sharper, more defined. Every body line stands out perfectly under pure daylight. This is not a car you hide. This is a car you show off. At the front, the iconic Panamericana grille takes center stage, surrounded by AMG's digital light headlights. Every vent, every opening is functional, designed to feed air, cool components, and increase stability. The aggression is real, and in person, it's even more dramatic. Move to the side and you'll see the perfect GT proportions. A long hood, short rear deck, and athletic roofline. The 21-inch AMG forged wheels finished in black and silver suit Alpine Grey beautifully. Behind them, massive carbon ceramic brakes with gold calipers. This car doesn't just go fast. It stops like a weapon. The rear is pure AMG muscle. Quad exhaust pipes, sculpted diffuser, wide fenders, and the e-performance emblem reminding you this is a hybrid powerhouse. Whether parked or in motion, the GT63 SE-Execution looks ready to attack. Under that sleek hood lies AMG's 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, paired with a performance electric motor on the rear axle. The result is staggering. 843 horsepower, 1,400 Newton-meters of torque, 0 to 100 in just 2.9 seconds. This hybrid system is not about efficiency. It's about violent acceleration and instant response. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit built for speed. Black Nappa leather with red stitching, AMG performance seats, a digital instrument cluster, and the latest MBUX system. The cabin feels premium, futuristic, and incredibly driver-focused. When you press the start button, you get a mix of silent electric readiness and explosive V8 power. AMG managed to keep the signature roar, even with hybrid tech involved. It's mechanical, it's emotional, it's unmistakably AMG. Cruising in electric mode is peaceful, smooth, clean, refined. But switch into Sport Plus, and the beast awakens. Throttle response sharpens. Exhaust valves open. The acceleration is instant, almost shocking, no delay, no hesitation. At high speeds, this car feels planted, stable, confident. The GT63 SE-Execution is not just fast. It's smart, balanced, and incredibly powerful. In Alpine Grey, on this endless road, it feels like the perfect blend of elegance and aggression. Thank you for watching this full cinematic review. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more performance machines.